I'm gonna show you how to use the air compressor here with your EverStart compressor to air up a tire on your vehicle. First, what you want to do is find out how much air you need. Just open the door and look to the right, either the bottom or top. You see right here, it says it used 33 pounds. So that's how you locate the PSI you need. Once you do that, you just take the cap off right here, and then you thread this on. You got to push it a little bit while you threading it in and turn it clockwise. You don't want to over tighten it. You're going to hear a little air may leak out once you tighten it up. It should stop. Once you do that, you want to go and locate your button right here where it says air. You click on it once and you go either up or down on how much pressure you want. And we're going to go up. And if you want to go down, you can hold it and it'll go down real fast if you just hold it. So we're going to go up, let's see, 34, 35. I'm gonna go ahead and do 34. Once you do that, hit air again. Okay, once it finished, the pump will turn off. So it's right at 34 and the pump went out. So only thing you have to do now is just unscrew this. And that's it. You got 34 in there. See this AC power and hit it again. And in 10 seconds, this is gonna go off. The display screen will go blank.